welcome to my channel. Today in this video we have a power bank by Lit Mobile. Link is in the description. Taking a look at the box, you basically have a white plain box, nothing too extraordinary, just plain and simple, straight to the point. We have a 50% off discount code. This is right here, save 50. That's cool. Here's the power bank. We're gonna get to that in a second, but first we have a type C to type C with a little adapter. Let's go ahead and untangle this. I don't know how, I think this is probably around 3 feet. Yeah, it's probably around 3 feet. But it's type C to type C, and then it has this little adapter right here that you can put into one of the ends of the type C in case you don't have a type C outlet thing, wall charger. So you can use that, which is really cool that they included that. They thought about for customers in case they don't have that. But that's just a fast charger, so you'll be able to quickly charge this massive power bank. It has solar panels, wireless charging, a LED flashlight, and SOS. Has really heavy duty, really nice power bank. Here's some more specs about the product. So as you can see, it has product information. You could go ahead and read this. It says product information, specifications, functions. It says right here that it outputs around from 12 volts max on output 2, and on output 1 it does 5 volts max. The solar charging is 300 milliamps or 5 volts, and then the rest of it is basically 9 volts capped. The functions are solar panel, solar charging indicator, LED lighting lanyard, USB micro USB, USB port 2, USB silica gel plug protection, power indicator, power switch, shift, type C input port, wireless charger indicator. So the wireless charging pad is on the back, and it'll have a little light or glow up once it's charging. You'll know. I'll go ahead and show you that in a minute. But it also says right here that on LED 1 it'll be 100%, and then if it's on LED 2 it'll be from 75, and so on. So basically each one is a quarter, and it does have it on here as well. See, so each indicator of light, when they glow up, represents 25, 50, 75, or 100%. And right now that green light basically means it's solar charging, which is obviously because of the light that's going on right now. But if I were to turn this off, the green light would turn off, and then I'll press the button on the right hand side, and then the blue lights will turn on. So it's going to turn this off. No lights are on. If I click the button, which is right here, 3 LED indicator lights pop up, which means it's 75%. And another indicator came out on the back that's most likely for the wireless charging pad that it's about to be active. If you press the power button twice, you get a nice white light, which is actually really bright. It's a really nice cool white. It's not warm, it's not dark, it's not warm, it's not too cool. It's just perfect white balanced light. It's really nice. And then if you click it one more time, it has a flashing red and blue little pattern. I'm pretty sure this is either for SOS or something out there if you take this camping. And then if you press it one more time, it turns off the lights. So at the top we have a output 1, an output 2, and an input. It is covered by this little seal, pretty sure for water protection. I don't know if this is water rated, but it's just for extra precaution. But anyways, this is a 3.0 charging port, which charges at 12 volts max. Yeah, 12 volts max. And then this one, which is a 2.0 charger, charges at 9 volt max, which is really good on both of them. and then you also have an input for Type C. Usually for Type C's you can do input and output, but I'll have to check that out. And if it charges and does input and output, I'll test that out. And if it does, then that'll be really cool, really helpful for Android phones out there that will need that charge. Just gonna put this to the side. We're gonna get this cable here. We're gonna just use the adapter for now because I don't want to grab another block, and the lighting source we have right now actually has USB ports on it, so we're gonna go and use that. There we go. And then if we go ahead and open this, oh, and then right here has a Type C output as well, right there. So one of them definitely charges, which is really cool. I think that's all though. Everything else is just grip and then the buttons. This is where the lanyard goes. So it's a very heavy duty, really good product here. It's quite expensive though, so if you're looking for a really good power bank that will last you a very long time, this is the bet to go, but it's pretty expensive, warning. Oh, that's a micro USB. That's why. I thought that was a Type C up here. I am sorry about that. This is the Type C. So yeah, usually Type C is both, so. Yep, it's charging. As you can see. Charging. And so yeah, it's charging by solar, and it's charging by Type C inputs. We're going to go ahead and test out the output to see if it charges a device. Let's go ahead and unplug this. I'm going to go ahead and grab... Hold on. I'm going to grab a device real quick. I'm not going to do a Type C charge. Alright, so we got a pair of headphones here. We're going to just test out the charging to see if it works. Let's go ahead. These headphones last a very long time, so if you guys want quality headphones, I recommend these. These are active noise canceling. Let's go ahead and open this. And then let's use the 3.0 charge to plug this in. So there we go, indicator on the power bank, and it is charging. So that's good. That is very good indeed. So good charging, very good quality. Now let's just test out the Qi wireless charging, the charging pad on the back. We're gonna go and test that out right now. All right, let's go ahead and turn this around. So this is the iPhone 11. If we place it on, it says right here, solar charging, and then it has 20,000 milliamp, 74 watts per hour. See if that charges. Doesn't. Oh wait, you have to turn on the power. Sorry. Anything? There we go. There we go. It works like that. It doesn't work. Hold on. Doesn't work. I don't think it works like this. No, it doesn't. So it works dead on center, and it has a little green indication light, and then if you move it, it turns red. So that's really cool. It's like instant too. Yeah, it's instant. That's really cool. So if you do forget your iPhone cable, or you don't really need an iPhone cable if you have an iPhone 11 or higher, an iPhone X or higher, you could just put it right here, slap it on there, and it'll start charging. That's really cool because you could just like go traveling. I mean, it is really big, but then again, it's 20,000 milliamps, so that's gonna last a very long time. I'm gonna go ahead and grab a few other power banks and compare them in size. So we have 2 premium power banks, both by T-Core. These are both sold out, I'm pretty sure, because they just got sold out, or they got just removed because either the company got shut down or whatever because of the dumb coronavirus. But here is the T-Core world's smallest power bank. This is the world's smallest power bank you could possibly get. It's for around $30, less than $30. But this is a 10,000 milliamp. This is a 20,000. So look at that. Look at the size. World's smallest to most heftiest premium. These ones are also very premium. I would leave links in the description for these, but they're pretty much sold out. But if they're not, I'll leave a link in the description. Here is the T-Core 20,000 milliamp. So same exact capacity on both, except you're getting more features on the left. You're getting solar charging, which means you don't really need cables at all. You're getting a wireless charging pad. You're getting an LED flashlight. You're getting an SOS. You're getting pretty much waterproof protection. You're getting good grip. You're getting a good quality product. Very hefty. You can drop it probably from like 20 feet. You have a lanyard just in case. It's just an overall good travel thing to have. It has like nice carbon fiber look to it as well. I don't know if you guys seen that, but it looks really cool. But yeah, this is the 20,000 milliamp one. It has a little small flashlight right here. Yeah, it's not really that good. I don't really recommend it. Your smartphone flashlight is way better. It has an LED display right here. And this one charges super fast. Has a input output type C, a 3.0 USB, and a 2.0 USB port. And then on the side it has a micro USB. But this is my favorite power bank of all time. This one isn't mine, but I really do like it, especially for the convenience. If you were to have a iPhone 8 Plus or 8 and higher, just turn the power bank on by pressing the power button, slap your phone on there, and it'll start charging. I keep missing it, but you get the point. And then it has a little green light, which is pretty cool. And yeah, so that sums up today's video. This is an overall really good product, really hefty. I really like it a lot. If you guys want this product, you can go ahead and buy it in a link in the description. I'll probably leave a Amazon link. It will be an affiliate link, so I can get profit and hopefully make more videos. So yeah, it's just up to you if you want to buy it. It helps me out a lot with no additional cost, but it will be really, really appreciated. Anyways, everyone have a great day. Stay safe from Corona, and yeah, have a good day.